welcome winning coach Leo Austria and the player of the game today, Junmar Fajardo. Welcome to the PBA press room. And congratulations to San Miguel for winning in this very momentous and very historical game. And let me ask my first question to Coach Leo. Coach Leo, it was a couple of times there was a very scary moments for you when Meralco looked like they figured out what to do to try to steal the lead from under you, but they were not able to do it. Was it a case of you dictating the pace, or was it a case of San Miguel being able to join or to catch up and speed up the pace to jibe with the kind of speed that Meralco brings to the court?
Well, regarding the comeback of Meralco from first half to second half until the last quarter, they were able to cut the lead to 2. So that's a really scary moment for us. But because of the experience of the players, especially Junmar Fajardo and some of Lester, and they know how to win, how to deal that kind of situation. And we know that this is a very historical game. And before the game, I told him this is a huge game for us. And besides that, so of course, this is all Filipino, and we want to redeem ourselves from the last conference we got. And I'm so happy for them because from the start to finish, they didn't lose their composure, and then were able to dictate the tempo of the game.
All right. And one question for Junmar. Ito, I will take advantage dahil special tayo ngayon. This is a very memorable game, not only for you, I'm sure, pati sa mga fans mo at sa lahat ng miyembro ng PBA community. Seryosong tanong, Junmar, ilang beses mo naalala throughout the game na isa ka nga pala sa 50 of the greatest basketball players in the country?
Una-una, papasalamat kami kay God na wala na-injury sa game na to. Yun, di ko iniisip yung focus lang ako sa game. Kung ano yung goal namin. Yung goal namin tonight is yung ipanalo yung game kasi sabi nga ni coach, sabi nga ni Pops, two games na natalo kami sunod-sunod sa kanila. So kailangan namin i-redeem nga yung sarili namin. So yung goal namin makaabot sa finals na this conference. So yun yung goal namin. So focus kami sa goal. And then yun yung 50 greatest ako doon, thankful ako doon, pero hindi ko inisip yun. So thank you. So.
Oh yeah, you really deserve it. Spectacular performance, 28 points, 10 rebounds, and 4 assists. Congratulations once again, our player of the game. And we'd like to open the floor now to any of the members of the press corps for your questions.
To both gentlemen, congratulations. Tonight was a retro team game, San Memorial Coliseum, retro jersey. Some reaction lang dun sa yung tema ng game tonight.
Well, for me, nung dumating ako dito sa Rizal Memorial, talagang maraming memorable moments for me. Dahil in my amateur days, most of my games I played in Rizal Memorial. When I was in Lyceum, we won the championship in the Rizal Memorial. And then in Masagana, we won 6 championships in the national seniors consecutive. That's why Rizal Memorial is really dear to me. That's why when I got here, I know where to go. And nagugusbam ako dahil parang reminiscing ganyan. And then that's why before this game, so I really wanted to win because there's something special in this place, and I'm so happy with the players because they didn't give up nung lumalamang kami at sinabol kami, but I'm expecting them not to do well because in practice it's very evident na they want to win, and that's the thing na we instill to the mind of the player na for us to win, so we have to work harder because there's a lot of teams playing really well and catching up with the kind of talent they have. Nakaka-level up na sila. And this is an all-Filipino. It's not an easy game to win the teams because you can see it naman yung first game talagang napakagagaling na ng mga team. But we have to step up to the next level for us to be competitive.